Why is boiler maintenance important even when the boiler runs normally? Answer. Boilers may appear to operate normally while hidden problems develop internally over time. Scale buildup, corrosion, leakage, worn components, and safety device. Failures can gradually reduce efficiency and increase accident risk. Preventive maintenance identifies these problems before they become serious failures. Inspectors ask this question to test long-term operational thinking and maintenance awareness. Regular inspection, cleaning, lubrication, calibration, and testing improve equipment reliability and reduce emergency breakdowns. Proper maintenance also extends boiler life, improves steam production efficiency, lowers fuel consumption, and ensures compliance with industrial safety regulations. A well-maintained boiler always operates more safely and efficiently than a neglected one.